with all new LED bulbs from Ayla Lighting. This is the Expedition with the halogen bulbs still installed. We've set up a light meter to measure the color and brightness. The halogen bulbs have a color temperature of 3,245 degrees Kelvin and an output of 220 lux. This is the low beam on the Expedition. The area under the hood is too small to work in, so we will show you how to access your bulbs from the wheel well. First, you'll have to remove these 3 bolts, plus 1 locking tab. Once removed, you'll be able to peel back the fender liner starting near the edge. Here are both headlight bulbs. Start by peeling off the dust cover. Next, turn the bulb counterclockwise to unlock it. You can then pull the bulb straight out of the housing. Unplug the wire harness by lifting the tab and pull. Easily replace by plugging in your new LED bulb directly into the wire harness. Install the bulb back into the housing and turn clockwise to lock it in. Technician's tip: if you have troubles getting a good grip on the bulb because of the tight space, try wearing a rubber glove to make gripping the bulb easier. Replace the dust cover and fender liner. You'll need to reinstall the fender liner by tightening the 3 bolts you took out earlier and replace the locking tab you removed. Now we do the same to the other side. Loosen the fender liner and peel it back. Peel off the dust cover. Turn counterclockwise to remove the old halogen bulb. Release the tab on the wire harness. Plug in your new LED bulb from Ayla Lighting. Turn clockwise to lock it in. Replace the dust cover, and finish by putting the fender liner back. Now, here is the Expedition with all new LED bulbs from Ayla Lighting. Notice the clean cutoff line. This is an indication that the bulbs were designed and manufactured for optimal performance. We can see from the light meter readout that the LED bulb is putting out 486 lux at a color temperature of 6,437 degrees Kelvin. That is more than 2 times the brightness of the halogen bulb at a color temperature that is optimal for seeing in the dark.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.